Hello friends, welcome to Insta YouTube Shorts.
It's being almost legendary in status. So thank you so much for joining us and take the time to kind of contain yourself, not go crazy. My God, Surya Kumar Yadav is live on the show. But now since I've got that out of the system, I have to address the elephant in the room. That fateful day. I remember I was gearing up to go live and just have a great day. Mumbai Indians had finally found their rhythm, their momentum after that brilliant game against CSK. What was the vibe when we found out that the game is cancelled, the IPL might not happen? Were you all quarantined together, or was it a tough day?
Yeah, obviously looking at the situation, I think that was a call which was need of the hour at that time. And yeah, we were quarantined together. We were waiting if the situation gets better. But at the end, it didn't happen that way. And yeah, in the middle of the tournament, when you get momentum, when you have started to cruise at the perfect time, and tournament gets called off, you get disappointed. But at the same time, as I said, looking at the situation, I think that was a perfect call at that time.
Absolutely, and I think this is something that I need to say because I saw this happening. Is just the way the MI management took care and sent everyone home scrambling was just phenomenal. Luckily for you, it was just, I guess, a flight to Bombay, but there are a lot of people had to travel overseas as well. Was it a bit hectic when all of this happened, or it was easy peasy for you guys?
It wasn't easy, but firstly, I think there has to be a big round of applause for our team management, right from manager to everyone who has been working, sending everyone back home safely. I think that was very important at that time, taking care of players. That's how a franchisee works in this tournament. How you take care of your players, and in return, that's why a player gives. His 200% on the field when you get such treatment, and when you get this type of atmosphere in the team. That's how you gain players confidence, and then when he turns up next time, it's something amazing from the players side.
And it's great that you mentioned atmosphere, because this is one of the IPLs where we've got a question for you already, Parthiv. I think it's Parthiv Patel asking, why have you stopped bowling?
Why is he always behind my bowling? No, I have not stopped bowling. I keep bowling in the nets, and whenever I'll get an opportunity to bowl in the game, I'll be there. Parthiva, don't worry, you will see me bowling soon.
I hope Rohit Sharma somewhere hears this, because I would love to see some nice gentle medium pace coming on. Maybe give a Pollard a little bit of a break, huh?
No, you can't take away bowling from Pollard. He bowls from here. You can't take it away from him. No chance.
वो बोलते हो जज्बा के साथ bowling करते हैं. He might not have the most electric pace, but passion, man, is all passion, right?
All. If I am not wrong, the last game we played against CSK, I know he scored 87 runs, bailed the side out, but those two crucial wickets which he took at that moment, I think he cherishes that more.
I think that's what it is about being a team player, and this is something I've seen with the Mumbai Indians. It's not a team; it's a family, and that's how I was saying the atmosphere. Because you see, with whatever little we get to see, there's such amazing scenes with your families. And I believe, tell me, did you have Pablo and Oreo with you on this tour?
I wish I would have, but it was a little difficult for them to travel, and Oreo is just about 2-3 months now, so it's difficult for him to travel. But yeah, I would have loved if it was allowed for them to be with me in Chennai and Delhi.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, you just brought up Chennai. I have to talk about Chennai now. A very different pitch from what we're used to watching at Wankhede, where the batsman can dominate from any given moment. We saw you yourself, Sky, and this is coming from a personal fan moment. You got a lot of good starts, and you got a 50 as well. Do you think, or do you feel that you were given a slightly different role this IPL campaign because of the pitch?
Not really. I think I was being myself. I was batting the same way as I was doing in the last 2-3 years. Yes, the conditions were completely different, but I didn't try and do anything different. Speaking from team and personal point of view, it was pretty good. And during a media interview also, I said it's just about one game that we come out pretty good. And as we left Chennai, everything started falling in place.
About 150, 165, and then getting winning results from there. It's definitely shows that you're doing something right. So clearly that pitch wasn't conducive to high scores, which people need to understand. And each pitch is different. And we saw that the moment you reached the Arun Jaitley Stadium, fireworks, right?
Everyone started firing. People are waiting to reach Delhi.
Absolutely. But tell me, Sky, and this is something that everybody wants to know, is everyone has that one person they go to, when they're a bit off in terms of form, when you're not probably connecting. For you, it wasn't so because you're still scoring at 140 plus the strike rate. Who is the person that you go to for advice, or if you're kind of bogged down? Is it the coach? Is it Mahila? Is it Payment, or is it just a family of friends?
I feel in this team, as we call, we are one family. So we don't go to one person, or
Okay.
we don't get suggestion from any one of them. Whenever there is a situation where we need to handle it together, so we sit together. As for example, if batting unit is not firing, if bowlers unit is not firing, if as a team we are not looking good on the ground, we sit together and we discuss what can be done right in the next game, and we try